Welcome to Jill Starcam. We're about to meet up with Jen Sheff, who went on a very public manhunt when she starred on ABC's The Bachelorette in 2004, taking over New York and turning down a proposal on the show, following a very public breakup with 2003's Bachelor, Andrew Firestone. She's learned a lot about relationships, and she's sharing it all in her new book, Better Single Than Sorry. Can you tell all of us what you learned about relationships?
What I learned is that I have to trust my own gut instincts, and I have to trust what I think and what I feel versus what everyone else around me has to say about everything.
People are always going out to bars and clubs, trying to meet that special someone. Is your advice to them that it's okay to be picky?
It's okay to be picky, and when you go out, you have to just make sure you're going out to be with your friends, and if you meet someone, great, but if you don't, you're going to be okay.
Reese Witherspoon is one who looked so great recently at the Golden Globes, and she's recently single. What's your advice to someone who's in the public eye, like you were when you went through the Bachelor and Bachelorette experiences, who's trying to find love?
Well, I think number one, looking good is the best revenge. So she looked great at the Golden Globes, but I think she just has to be okay with herself and maybe even spend some time alone.
As you're doing this book tour for Better Single Than Sorry, is everyone asking you what your current relationship is and whether you're dating?
Yes, everyone wants to know, are you dating? Are you dating? And when I do tell them, no, I'm not dating anyone, but I'm okay. I'm doing well and I'm very happy. I live in Chicago. I have a great place, great friends, and I'm doing well.
Okay, great. Well, ladies, make sure and head to the bookstore, pick up Better Single Than Sorry and the latest Star magazine, of course. And this party just started rocking, so we got to go check it out. We'll see you next time right here at Jill Starcam.